Capitalist.
What is seller carryback? Today, we are exploring an interesting and not well-known concept called seller carryback. Let's dive in and uncover the mysteries behind this term. Picture this. You found the perfect property, but you don't have enough cash on hand to put a down payment on it. That's where seller carryback comes into play. Seller carryback, also known as seller financing, is a creative option where the property seller acts as a lender for the buyer. Instead of going through a traditional bank loan, the seller provides financing for a portion or the entirety of the purchase price. Essentially, the seller becomes a bank, allowing the buyer to make installment payments over time, just like with a mortgage. Now you might wonder, why would a seller choose to do this? Well, there can be various reasons. For some sellers, it can be a way to attract more potential buyers, especially if traditional financing options are limited or less favorable. In extreme economic times, this could solve a seller's problem by ensuring they sell their property. Seller carryback offers flexibility and can be beneficial for both parties involved. Buyers who may not qualify for a bank loan or have less than perfect credit can still have a chance to own a property. However, it's important to note that seller carryback transactions typically involve legal agreements through documentation and potentially even interest rates and repayment terms negotiated between the buyer and the seller. It's always wise to seek professional advice, such as consulting with an attorney or a real estate professional, to understand all the terms and conditions of a seller carryback agreement. And there you have it. Seller carryback is like a unique financial dance where the seller becomes a lender and helps buyers achieve their dreams of property ownership. It's a fascinating alternative to traditional financing options and could be the creative solution you were looking for on your next deal. Follow The Capitalist with a K for more videos like this.
Subscribe to The Capitalist and comment below on what you'd be interested in learning more about.